Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is a 71 Corvette with an LT1 under the hood, 4-speed automatic. You're gonna love checking it out. Go to the website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We're gonna get it out and drive it. We're gonna get underneath it. We're gonna pop the hood and take a look at the motor. We're gonna fire it up. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your Corvette investment. So come on up, and we'll fire it up for you right now. So check out this beautiful paint. It's like a plum, it's beautiful. They did some gorgeous body work on it. All the panels fit good. The chrome on the front bumper looks brand new. When you look down the side of the car, straight as an arrow. All the stainless looks good. The chrome mirror looks great. I love the wheel and tire combo on it. Door handle looks good. Door operates nice and smooth. Look how nice the paint is here on the door jamb also. You can see they've replaced the rubber. Door panel's in good shape. The leather on the seats looks great. Center console's in good shape. That shifter looks like it belongs there. That's hooked up to that 4-speed automatic trans. All the gauges on the dash are updated. Everything about the car is amazing, guys. I was just out driving it, had a blast driving it with that LT1 power. Paint as smooth as can be. Rear bumpers look good. Tail light lenses look great. Emblems look awesome. You look down this side again. Paint is phenomenal on the car. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not consignment dealers. We own all of these cars. Right now we have a little over 230 cars in stock, and we own every one of those cars. We bought 48 cars last month, so we've always got new inventory coming in, and I'm involved in buying every one of those cars here at Vanguard. So what that means to you is you're getting my 35 plus years of experience in the muscle car industry, helping you pick out your dream car. All right, let's take this beautiful 71 Vette for a ride. LT1 power under the hood, 4-speed automatic. It's ready to go, guys. This Vette is sweet. Look at the reflections on that hood. That hood is just amazing. I love the fenders on these cars, man. So cool to drive these cars. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship this car anywhere in the world. So you just give Tom a call at 248-974-9513. He'll tell you just how easy it is to ship this car wherever you live in the world. And if you want some help with financing, we can help you out with financing too. We got 3 different bankers we work with. We can hook you up and we can get this dream parked in your driveway. And don't forget, we've got over 235 cars in stock today, and we're bringing in new ones every day. Last month we bought 48 new cars. So keep an eye on the website, on Facebook, YouTube, however you watch us, keep a close eye because we've always got new inventory. Now as you can see down here on the dash, the speedo's working. It's a big old white face gauge that says Corvette on it. The tack is working. All the gauges on the dash are working. Now, it does have an aftermarket Panasonic radio in it. I cannot get it to play any music right now. We'll have the mechanics take a look at that. I tell you what, this shifter is so cool in this car. It looks like it belongs in the car, and it's a late model shifter. The car's driving awesome. We'd love to have you come check it out in person if possible. Now, most of our customers buy sight unseen, so we don't get to meet a lot of our customers, so we love it when our customers come in to visit. We're right outside of Detroit, real close to the airport. It's real easy to find us. Heck, we'll even come down to the airport and pick you up. We're here on Saturdays, so if you want to drive out on a Saturday, we'd love to have you. Just call Tom, let him know you're coming. The exhaust sounds great on the car too. It's got a nice rumble to it. The car's quick, steers great, brakes feel great. Now we're about to do something nobody else in the industry does. We're gonna put this car up on the lift so you can check out the underside. You wanna pop the hood, take a look at that LT1. This is our building here. We're at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. So stick with us. We're gonna get it in the air for you right now. All right, we're underneath this 71 Vette now, and she is pretty under here. You can see it looks like a brand new spring. It does have Corvette disc brakes on it, of course. Right around a 410 gear, and of course it is posi. The frame looks great. You guys that know Corvettes know you gotta check this area where the dog leg is on the frame, and I tell you, this looks great. It's all painted up real nice. This car might have actually been off the frame, or they did a beautiful job restoring this frame in place. It is looking great. It looks like we got new brake lines here. Fuel lines are in good shape. Exhaust system looks good. We got a 700 R4 transmission. That is a 4-speed automatic for those of you who do not know what that is. We got the O2 sensor here for our LT1. We got, looks like stainless headers. Looks like the springs have been rebuilt up front, or at least they look like they're new ones, and the shocks also look new. Of course, Corvette disc brakes up front. All the bushings look good up here. Everything's nice and clean. It does have power steering. The core support looks nice and solid. I mean, she's beautiful under here. Even the sway bar bushings look good. And it's got a great big old sway bar on her. Now let's look at these wheels and tires. All right, up front here, we got some Riddler 5-spokes. You can see the rotors look good. Two 55/50 17s up front. No rash on these whatsoever. Paintwork right down to the bottom edge is looking good. And the paintwork on the frame looking even better. Let's check the rear. All right, out back here, same size tire, two 55/50 17s. Same good looking rim, same good looking rotors. Same good looking paintwork and same good looking frame. She's gorgeous, guys. Let's get under the hood and take a look at that LT1. All right, here's what's making the power. Corvette LT1 motor. You can see it's got a chrome cover on the AC. We've got an aluminum cover here on the radiator. Radiator looks like it's a rebuilt unit. Got some electric fans on it. Got a cold air intake setup on it. The alternator's polished up. It does have power brakes. It does have power steering. Nice and neat. I tell you, this motor looks like it belongs in here, guys. Call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your drive.